example, $217 dx. We can choose dx du on u plus 1 plus 1 equals to u plus 2. Can rewrite the integral as this relation. Exponential x plus 1 equals to u plus 2 du on u plus 1 u plus 1. We can decompose the integral as this relation. The first part is du on u plus 1, plus the second one can be decomposed as this relation 2 on u minus 2 on u plus 1 du. We can calculate the integral as the first one is ln u plus 1 plus 2 ln u minus ln u plus 1 plus c ln